AI is changing our world. We can create digital art using text, alter images by changing clothes, and even remove objects within seconds. Applications like Google Search, Netflix recommendations, and Google Voice Assistant all are powered by AI. But what exactly is this AI? Well, today on the AI Fiction, we are diving into the basics of artificial intelligence. Think of AI as providing computers with an artificial brain. Just like teaching a child how to walk, how to speak, and exposing them to new surroundings, we impart knowledge to computers by feeding them data. The more data they receive, the smarter the AI becomes. Now, to understand how smart the AI is, let's delve into the different types of AI. General AI and narrow AI. General AI can perform a variety of tasks, much like humans. We can dance, sing, cook, run, and whatnot. While on the other hand, narrow AI specializes in a particular domain. For example, if Alexa's AI is trained on US data, then comparatively its performance on other countries might not be that good. As of now, we live in a world dominated by narrow AI. The dream of general AI is still on the horizon. One good example of general AI can be the depiction of AI robots in the movie Terminator, which is again a fiction. Well, Terminator happens to be one of my favorite movies. What's your favorite AI movie? Let me know in the comments down below. While achieving true general AI, where a machine has cognitive capabilities similar to humans in various fields, is a complex and challenging task. That concludes our exploration of the basics of AI. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more AI stuff. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.